Drinking olive oil with lemon before bed could completely transform your health overnight, and I'm about to share how. This ancient practice has been around for thousands of years, with roots in traditional Greek and Mediterranean medicine. The idea of consuming olive oil and lemon before sleep has been passed down through generations, with many swearing by its numerous benefits. From improving digestion to boosting the immune system, the potential advantages of this simple drink are vast and intriguing. People are increasingly turning to natural remedies and health trends, and drinking olive oil with lemon is one of the latest practices gaining popularity. This is largely due to its simplicity and the fact that the ingredients are easily accessible. The drink is made from just a few components, making it easy to incorporate into your daily routine. As more and more individuals search for alternative methods to improve their well-being, this old-fashioned remedy is experiencing a resurgence. The historical use of olive oil and lemon as a health tonic is well documented, with ancient civilizations recognizing their medicinal properties. Our olive oil, in particular, has been revered for its rich antioxidant content and anti-inflammatory properties, while lemons are packed with vitamin C and flavonoids. When combined, these two ingredients create a potent blend that can have a significant impact on overall health. By drinking this mixture before bed, you may be able to harness its benefits and wake up feeling refreshed and revitalized. Many of us are familiar with the individual benefits of olive oil and lemons, but the concept of drinking them together before sleep may seem unusual. However, the key to unlocking the full potential of this drink lies in its preparation and the quality of the ingredients used. By using high-quality extra virgin olive oil and fresh lemons, you can create a truly unique and potent health tonic. Whether you're looking to improve your digestion, boost your energy levels, or simply feel more refreshed in the morning, drinking olive oil with lemon before bed could be the answer you've been searching for. When it comes to making this drink, there are a few essential ingredients you'll need to get started. Extra virgin olive oil is a must, as it contains the highest levels of antioxidants and has the richest, most pronounced flavor. You'll also need some fresh lemons, which should be juiced just before consumption to ensure maximum potency. Albeit optional ingredients like honey or spices can be added to enhance the flavor, but the core components are olive oil and lemon juice. To begin, you'll need to acquire high-quality extra virgin olive oil, preferably from a reputable source. This will ensure that your drink is rich in antioxidants and has the desired health benefits. Fresh lemons are also essential, as bottled lemon juice often contains preservatives and added sugars that can negate the benefits of the drink. By using fresh, organic ingredients, you can create a truly healthy and effective health tonic. In addition to olive oil and lemons, you may want to consider adding other ingredients to enhance the flavor or benefits of the drink. Honey, for example, can add a touch of sweetness and provide additional health benefits, while spices like cinnamon or ginger can add warmth and depth to the flavor. However, it's essential to remember that the core ingredients are olive oil and lemon juice, and any additional components should be used in moderation. The quality of the ingredients is crucial when making this drink, as it can significantly impact the flavor and effectiveness. Look for extra virgin olive oil that is cold-pressed and extracted using natural methods, as this will retain the highest levels of antioxidants and flavor compounds. Fresh, organic lemons are also a must, as they will provide the best flavor and nutritional benefits. By using high-quality ingredients, you can create a truly delicious and effective health tonic. To prepare the drink, you'll need to start by juicing a fresh lemon. This can be done using a manual or electric juicer, depending on your preference. Once you have your lemon juice, you can mix it with the olive oil in a small glass or bowl. The ratio of olive oil to lemon juice can vary, but a common starting point is to use 1 tablespoon of olive oil per tablespoon of lemon juice. The next step is to add any optional ingredients such as honey, or spices to the mixture. This can be done to taste, so feel free to experiment and find the combination that works best for you. Some people prefer a stronger lemon flavor, while others like to add a touch of sweetness with honey. The key is to find a balance that you enjoy and that makes you feel good. As you mix the ingredients together, you'll start to notice the flavors and textures combining. The olive oil will add a rich, creamy element to the drink, while the lemon juice will provide a burst of citrus flavor. If you're using honey or spices, these will add an extra layer of depth and warmth to the mixture. The result is a unique and potent health tonic that can have a significant impact on your overall well-being. When mixing the ingredients, it's essential to use a gentle stirring motion to combine the olive oil and lemon juice. This will help to prevent the oil from separating and ensure that the flavors are fully incorporated. You can use a spoon or whisk to mix the ingredients depending on your preference. The key is to create a smooth, consistent texture that is easy to drink. The ratio of olive oil to lemon juice can be adjusted to suit your individual needs and preferences. Some people prefer a stronger olive oil flavor, while others like a more pronounced lemon taste. Experimenting with different ratios can help you find the perfect balance for your taste buds and health goals. As you prepare the drink, you may notice that the olive oil and lemon juice start to separate. This is completely normal and can be resolved by gently stirring the mixture. The key is to create a smooth, consistent texture that is easy to drink and digest. By using high-quality ingredients and following a simple preparation method, you can create a delicious and effective health tonic. To enhance the flavor and benefits of the drink, you can try adding different spices or herbs to the mixture. Cinnamon, ginger, and turmeric are all popular options that can add warmth and depth to the flavor. You can also experiment with different types of honey or sweeteners to find the one that works best for you. The key is to find a combination that you enjoy and that makes you feel good. One of the most important things to remember when making this drink is to use high-quality ingredients and to follow a simple preparation method. By using fresh, organic lemons and cold-pressed olive oil, you can create a truly healthy and effective health tonic. The preparation method is also crucial as it can impact the flavor and texture of the drink. The preparation process is relatively simple and requires minimal equipment. You'll need a juicer or manual citrus squeezer to extract the lemon juice, as well as a small glass or bowl to mix the ingredients. A spoon or whisk can be used to stir the mixture, and any optional ingredients can be added to taste. The key is to keep the preparation process simple and straightforward, allowing you to focus on the benefits and flavor of the drink. In terms of specific techniques for mixing the ingredients, it's essential to use a gentle stirring motion to combine the olive oil and lemon juice. This will help to prevent the oil from separating and ensure that the flavors are fully incorporated. You can also try using a small blender or food processor to mix the ingredients, but this is not necessary. The key is to create a smooth, consistent texture that is easy to drink and digest. To get the most out of this drink, it's recommended to consume it at least 30 minutes before bedtime. This allows the ingredients to start working their way through your system, providing a range of potential health benefits. From improving digestion to boosting the immune system, the advantages of drinking olive oil with lemon before bed are numerous and well documented. As you prepare the drink, you can start to imagine the potential benefits it may have on your health and well-being. From reducing inflammation to improving cardiovascular health, the ingredients in this drink have been shown to have a significant impact on overall health. By incorporating this simple tonic into your daily routine, you may be able to experience these benefits for yourself and wake up feeling refreshed and revitalized. The next step is to actually prepare the drink, which involves mixing the ingredients together in a small glass or bowl. This can be done using a spoon or whisk, depending on your preference. The key is to create a smooth, consistent texture that is easy to drink and digest. As you mix the ingredients, you can start to appreciate the simplicity and elegance of this ancient health tonic. To make the drink more visually appealing, you can try adding a slice of lemon or a sprinkle of spice to the top. This can add a pop of color and make the drink more enjoyable to consume. You can also experiment with different types of glasses or containers to find the one that works best for you. The key is to create a drinking experience that is both enjoyable and beneficial. The drink can be prepared in advance, but it's best to consume it immediately after mixing the ingredients. This ensures that the flavors and nutrients are at their peak, providing the maximum potential benefits. You can also store the drink in the refrigerator for up to 24 hours, but it's essential to give it a good stir before consuming. As you watch the ingredients come together, you can start to appreciate the simplicity and effectiveness of this ancient health tonic. The combination of olive oil and lemon juice is a powerful one, providing a range of potential benefits that can have a significant impact on your overall health and well-being. By incorporating this drink into your daily routine, you may be able to experience these benefits for yourself and wake up feeling refreshed and revitalized. To visually demonstrate the preparation process, imagine a